Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix laptop keyboard keys not working using the latest methods.
Fix 1. Restart your laptop. Step 1. Save all your work. Step 2. Restart the laptop. Step 3. Check if keys work after restart. Fix 2. Check for dirt or dust. Step 1. Turn off the laptop. Step 2. Use compressed air to clean the keyboard. Step 3. Gently press stuck keys. Fix 3. Disable filter keys, Windows. Step 1. Open settings. Step 2. Go to accessibility keyboard. Step 3. Turn filter keys off. Fix 4. Update or reinstall keyboard driver. Step 1. Right-click Start Device Manager. Step 2. Expand keyboards. Step 3. Right-click Keyboard Update Driver. Step 4. If not fixed, choose Uninstall Device and restart. Fix 5. Run Keyboard Troubleshooter, Windows. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Go to System, Troubleshoot, Other Troubleshooters. Step 3. Run Keyboard Troubleshooter. Fix 6. Check Language and Layout Settings. Step 1. Open Settings. Step 2. Go to Time and Language. Step 3. Make sure the correct keyboard layout is selected.